I got some alpha for you in this one here. There's a secret badge that you can currently get. There's only 48 hours to actually get this one, and we're going to talk about this in this video. That being said, GM and welcome to a new part of the Abstract series. This is already week 24 of the Mainnet. I think this is already part 30 or something like that, because we started in the testnet. There's a couple of things that I want to cover this week. First of all, experience points update. As you know, I don't spend a lot on any of the paid things on the green chain. So this is why my experience points aren't that high. We've seen that a lot of people that put in a lot of liquidity, own a lot of NFTs, trade a lot, earn a lot of experience points. There's also a bonus for the streamers. Since I do not do any of this, this is all just low-key experience points. Last week I did have a little bit more time, and I gotta say that it is true that organic use of the platform grants you more experience points. You can see this, I almost got 6,000 experience points, and what I mainly did is I played a bit of Moody Madness. I played the Frankie Go. I bought 1 or 2 tickets for $2, but mainly played the free rounds, played Gigaverse. So just tried out the different dApps that are in the Discover section, and especially the ones that are in the Spotlight. They seem to give you the most experience points. That's the short experience points update from me. Now let's talk about the In-the-Moment NFTs. I told you about this in last week's video. I hope that you minted all of the NFTs. If not, you still have a little bit of time to get everything that you missed. This is the page. I will link it down in the description as well. They localized this, so for me it's German. But now we have the extra phase. I minted all of the 3 days. This is why I can't do anything in the extra phase. But if you're missing 1, 2, or all of the 6, there's some social tasks that you can do to get this. So I am still pretty sure that you will get a badge afterwards if you collect all 6 of them. Last time it was a flash badge. Probably this time it will be a retroactive badge. Still pretty sure that they will reward you for minting all 6 of those. The next one is in October, so we still got a lot of time until the 3rd race here. Let me know if you got all 6 and managed to mint all of them, or if you're doing this in the extra phase. Now let's come to the alpha that I have for you this time. This is a secret badge. It hasn't been announced by the Abstract team, and this is from Triple S official Triple Cosmos, and what you can see here is that there's an abstract double class object. Digital release time frame is today, July 9th until July 11th. And those who mint 1 or more abstract double class objects will receive a Triple S badge on Abstract Portal. So this is online now. Let's do this together. It costs like roughly $2, I think, to mint one. So not too much. Let's click on it, and the badge seems to be airdropped after the open edition. So this is an open edition. You can mint this right now, and you won't see the badge right away, since this is a secret badge. Though it's not so secret because Triple S announced this, but it's not been announced by the official Abstract accounts. So a lot of people will be missing this. So if you get this one, you will probably earn a badge that a lot of people do not have, because it hasn't been announced officially. And also there's this only short amount to get this one here. As you can see, the landing page is very slow. Maybe I will not be able to show you this. All right, it finally loaded. Give it some time. For me, it took like 1 to 2 minutes to actually load. And what you need to do then is log in with Abstract. This is important, so it's connected to your Abstract global wallet. Now let's approve this. Very, very slow right now, their page, but we're gonna go through this together. Here we go. Successfully connected with Abstract. Let's give it some time. The page is still loading. All right, here we finally are after another 1 to 2 minutes. You need to agree to the terms and conditions, that you're at least 14-year-olds, agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy, and then you can create the account. Here we go, it's finally loading. So here we go. We can see the double and abstract. This is the important part. We need the abstract one. Let's click on it. Payment is made with ETH on the abstract chain, and then you click on purchase object. Then you need to agree to all the terms shown below. Click again on purchase, redirect it to this here. Sign and continue. The whole process took way longer than you see this now in this video because I cut out a lot of waiting times. So it took a lot of time to actually get this one, but here we are. One object and 2 Como will be sent to your wallet, and that's it. You can click on the abstract portal. We can go to a profile and then check under NFTs, and here we see that we have the items now in our abstract global wallet. This will probably give us experience points, and also we will be able to claim the secret badge once the open edition is closed. That's it for this week's update on the green chain. Let me know if you will mint those here to get the secret badge. Let's see what the next flash badge will be. Maybe it will be the Gate.io one, though I think this will probably be just a retroactive badge. And yeah, that all being said, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.